I'm Dr. Heather Cegla. I'm an associate professor and a UKRI Future Leaders Fellow here at the University of Warwick. And my research is on trying to find planets outside of our solar system. When we try to find planets outside our solar system, we are primarily observing their suns because the stars completely outshine the planets. And so we're looking at how is the planet influencing the star to disentangle those signatures and find out if there's actually a planet there, and if so, what kind of planet. So this work is important because we train the next generation of STEM individuals. There's a plethora of spin-out opportunities, as well as just trying to understand the origins of humanity and where did we come from and how common life is. So the Global Talent Visa is the type of visa that I had when I first came here. And in particular, it allowed me to have the freedom and flexibility to come in as an expert leader in my field. I found out about the Global Talent Visa through the University of Warwick. We have an HR team that specializes in immigration, and they were really excellent about helping me figure out what my visa opportunities were and also like how to apply. I found the Global Talent Visa to actually be pretty straightforward. I had it for an initial period of 5 years. I lived in other countries where I actually had to renew my visa every single year, and that was actually quite troublesome because there would be times where I would want to travel, maybe to go observing or to go to a conference to present my work, but then my visa would have expired, and then I had to go back to the office and like get another stamp in there, which costs extra money and extra time. And actually having that long-term visa has been really helpful from that point of view. One of the big benefits to the UK and the research scheme in general is attracting the best talent. I actually had an opportunity where I could stay in Switzerland on an almost equally prestigious fellowship and funding scheme, but I chose the UK, and that was because I didn't have to renew my visa all the time. It was a smooth process. The university was a good fit, and they were going to give me a permanent position. And so I can go to all the conferences and collaboration visits that I need to. And then being able to hire people under the same talent framework means I can attract globally. So I can get the best candidates both from within the UK as well as externally, and that has been reflected in the group that I have hired throughout my fellowship time. I have students as well, and one of my students, she's just been offered a job in data science. So she has chosen to leave astronomy, but she's equipped with all of the skills to jump straight into this high-tech workforce in the UK. And so that is like another opportunity where we're like contributing to the workforce in the UK, whether it be for internationally renowned space missions or data science jobs outside of astronomy. You know, there's a variety of different ways we can contribute.